Idapt is an innovative universal charging station that charges several portable electronic devices simultaneously. Oh, and at the same time. I know it means the same thing. The point being, these are some cool products, and it's about time we have something like this to market. The CEO of Idapt is Jacques Giribet. Is that correct, Jack?
Yes.
How are you, sir?
Good.
We're glad to have you with us. We did back in May, Rob did a product spotlight on the Idapt that we managed to get a unit for evaluation, and we were quite pleased with it. The idea of the interchangeability, the ability to power many things at once is terrific. Not only, I think, for having it home or office, but it's easy to travel with. Tell me what makes the Idapt so innovative.
Good. The big point of Idapt is just taking away all the cables from the office or the homes. So you can just enjoy plugging in your devices and forget about cables and nightmare of little electronic devices all over.
And when Jack says literally just plug them in, he's very serious. It's interchangeable, right? How many different devices, of course, at one time we can do on one of the Idapt units, if you're looking on our video podcast, by the way. Andres is now showing. Here's one that's got can handle two things at once, and another device that can handle three. How interchangeable are they? How many different kinds of devices can we use?
The idea is to plug in any kind of portable device. So really we can work on developing new tips so you can get a never-ending compatibility to any kind of portable device, no matter which is the power.
So we have, like in this case, a mini USB even, so that look how many devices that can power.
It's incredible.
Is amazing. And this is just a little module with a couple of connectors on the bottom. And we plug it in. If we pan to the left here, for those of you listening on the radio, just come see the video when you can, and you'll see what I'm talking about. And plug it in. Now it's an adapter for whatever we need.
In this case,
point.
you can put a TomTom navigator, a Motorola headset, but I can easily switch to any kind. For example, now I can switch it for a Nokia mobile phone that will come easily to plug on the device. So you will have a Nokia in 5 seconds charging.
That's terrific. So right now, how many different kind of configurations do you have available?
We have 18 different tips, which cover most of the devices in the market, from mobile phones to PDAs, Bluetooth headsets, and going to gaming consoles. And, of course, GPS and so on.
That's terrific. And now, what are we talking about price-wise? Do you know in dollars, for example, where we start and how we go up?
We are just about to enter U.S. market. So the good point is that we have two versions. One for more a shared product, which is the i3 with 3 points of load. This will be the set, the main packaging with the main unit and 6 tips, just to get the maximum compatibility.
Good.
It will be a little bit less of $60.
60?
$60.
Wow. Okay, I was expecting you were going to tell me 100 and something because of what it can do. So for $60, we're going to end up with 6 different tips and can order more, obviously, if we have other devices.
Of course. Online or in your retail, you can order further tips. The idea is just to always get the proper tip for your device, no matter if in 2 years there is somebody that changed the connector.
Now, why the name Idapt? I like it, but how did you come up with that?
From innovative adapter.
Innovative adapter.
It's quite logical, no?
Yeah, it is quite logical. And do we expect to see these in stores throughout the U.S. and the world, for that matter? Can we order online? How do we get these?
Now you can order from U.S. online. And in the coming weeks, we are just about to enter some specific retailers, which will be a better local solution for U.S. persons.
I mean, this truly is, Jack, an innovative design with a product, and no doubt award-winning, and something that we have been very happy with. That's why we did a product spotlight a few months ago, even.
Which was great.
And now we're happy to have you as the CEO on the show here in Germany. And what would be the next step for you guys? What are you not doing yet that you're looking forward to doing?
Yeah. Well, in fact, the concept of an innovative charger with no cables at all can be expanded further than that. So we are working on different versions of 3 points of charge, 2 points of charge, a traveling version, and so on to other markets. The good point is that you also can work on doing a nice packaging for a gift, so you can put it in a nice gift or gadget store or to an electronic reseller. So really we are working on that.
Terrific.
And we have worked for several months and years for that.
The website is idaptweb.com. When you swing by our site for this IFA broadcast, we'll have a link to Jack's site. And by all means, look into this. It's something that, especially as inexpensive as it is for what it can do, this is truly an innovative product. So look forward. Jack, thanks for spending a few minutes with us here at IFA.
Thank you, Alex.